Okay, the custom stream didn't record previously, so I'm just going to do a quick overview. What I did was I wanted to create a premium post content logic flow, meaning if you create a post and then you can edit the features, kind of like OnlyFans or maybe Medium. I think they might have like a premium purchase this thing now, but they also have like a membership. I suppose you could like subscribe for members and have content viewable there too. Anyway, so I have a switch called Pay for Access, and if you switch that in, you can type in your price. You can also mark it as private. That's that, whatever, that. So if you make it premium, then there are two containers, one that says unpurchased and one that says purchased. And in this case, they both have viewing options. That there is a can view if else column that determines, we'll go over there to look at that, can view. Can view says if you are the author ID, then true. If otherwise, if pay-per-view boolean is not checked, then yes, you can view it. Otherwise, look up the purchasers in the lookup column, where if it contains your user profile name, then true as well, otherwise false. Now, the purchasers column, show an example of that. So the purchases are, it's a relation that looks for the row ID of the current post, matches the value in the post orders parent ID, so creating a separate table where I can go to the post orders. The post orders has a parent ID which references the post ID. The reference that looks that through that up has two lookup columns for the title and the image, and a timestamp and note, and the author naturally. So I go back into posts, and I have all the way down here pay-per-view. So if it is pay-per-view, that's toggled. The price is then set. The purchases are any post orders where the parent ID references that, and then the purchasers are a lookup column through the purchases and finds the author name. So these are the list of people who have purchased this post. Now I go back into the can view, or the viewing settings, somewhere up here, viewing, can view, and it shows that I as the author can view it all, but if I'm not, then it goes through. So let's see, I can edit the author. No, yes, no, I can't. Author choice. Oh, author admin, there you are. Author admin, if I change the author to repdev, and I'm viewing this as dev, then I can submit it. And because it's pay for access, what? This confuses me. Author admin, change it. Author choice. It's writing to the author ID. Okay. I'm going to change it to repdev. Now I'm going to submit it. Why are you not changing it? because it's admin. No? I don't know. Alright, I'm going to pretend to be Linda. Yeah, okay. That's easy enough. That's much easier. So now, this is a premium post. It has 3 coin. I can see the meta information, but I cannot see the content because the can view logic is not true. However, when I purchase this post, and what does this purchase post button do? Or are you unpurchased? Button block. It is a purchase post. Maybe we'll put that below. And the action that the button takes is, let's make you center as well. Bing! The button block, it takes the action of the purchase post action. Now, what does that do? Let's go into this. Or I suppose I could hit. So I go into my actions. There's a purchase post action. What does it do? If it's in action, which is interacting with the post model, if the user profile is not logged in, then go sign in and then go back to the original item. If it is signed in, just add a row to the post orders sheet and add this new row where the row ID is the current row ID for the parent ID. The timestamp is marked as the current date time, just right up here. The notes might be, well, don't have anything for notes right now. Might want to just say post order. And then the author ID is your user current ID. Okay, so when you click this action, and then you have a notification. When you click the button, it takes the action, and there's a collection below hand that I've now purchased it, and now the post orders pop up, marked preparing the clubs. Linda has purchased it, now she can view it. And then I also created a title template, which takes 3 replacements, title, premium, and private, and I've used an if-else statement for these icons, and just combined them all. So, what are those? Like the premium icon. You can see some of these have the premium icon. And it's an if-else column that says, if the pay-per-view is checked, then show this emoji. Otherwise, do nothing. Same for the private icon. Somewhere around there is a private icon for a private emoji. And so this title template is now used wherever the title was to show the title and the little emoji. And then I also added a relative time for the timestamp field, and I created a new updated timestamp where if you're editing it, then it shows last updated. So the next round will be when your wallet page can update your premium, your orders, and also the orders, or the post orders that people have bought from you, so that if you have a premium post, you put it out there, someone buys it, and that coin gets reflected in your wallet. Okay.